Good afternoon. My name is Danielle Boote, and we are here today at Ross Mortgage in Brighton, Michigan. Today is Veterans Day, and we wanted to take a moment to thank our veterans for serving our country and educate everyone about the benefits of a VA home loan. I'd like to introduce to you my friend Jim Grimes from Keller Williams Real Estate.
Hi, I'm Jim Grimes. As Danielle has mentioned, I'm with Keller Williams Realty, and I'll soon be celebrating my 9th year in real estate with Keller Williams after retiring from the automotive industry in 2008. Also, I am a veteran, having served with the 101st Airborne Division in Vietnam. Danielle, since today's all about veterans and we're talking about veteran home loans, what is a VA loan?
The VA loan is a low down payment option for veterans to purchase a home. Veterans that are eligible can be active duty in the U.S. Armed Forces. Some reservists are eligible if they have a proper amount of service to the military. Veterans' widows also sometimes are eligible if the veteran was killed in the line of duty. Veterans must provide a certificate of eligibility that they will get from the VA. They apply for it, or we can assist them to apply for it, and that will let us know if in fact they are eligible. The VA loan allows a buyer to purchase a home with little or no down payment. There are excellent low interest rates. There's no monthly mortgage insurance attached with this program.
Sounds like a very good program. Are there any other benefits that VA loans provide?
There are some unique benefits. VA also has a grant program that if you're a disabled veteran, that you might be eligible for. Recently, we had a great success story of a veteran, Vietnam veteran, 100% disabled, and he was able to purchase, actually build a new home in this area for him and his wife. The builder was able to accommodate the disability accommodations that he needed: ramping, extra doorways, proper ADA bathroom setups for him, and he received a grant from the VA in excess of $73,000 that he was able to use to purchase the home. Now that's a very unique program and only eligible for disabled veterans. Disabled veterans also do not pay a VA funding fee, and veterans that are 100% disabled also will not pay property taxes to the state of Michigan. So there's several layers of benefits here for some veterans if they're eligible.
Oh, what an excellent program. Danielle, if I or someone like me wanted to get approved for a VA loan, what is the process? What would I do? How would I go about getting approved?
The first thing that you would do is give us a call, okay? We're gonna have a conversation with any veteran borrowers. We're gonna talk about their income, where they would like to be, what their budget is, what their credit looks like. With all of this information, then we're able to determine what they would qualify for and discuss budgets, closing costs, things of that nature. So it really is not any different than getting qualified for any other mortgage, other than we will assist them to get their certificate of eligibility. Excellent
program. We also have a little different benefit that goes along with the VA program. Would you like to talk to that for a moment? The
Yes.
Homes for Heroes program?
Jim and I also participate in a national program that is called Homes for Heroes. Homes for Heroes is a program that was started after 9/11 with some real estate professionals that wanted to give back to our veterans, first responders, teachers, medical professionals. And with this program, Jim and I both give discounts to any clients that we assist that are veterans. Jim gives a discount back, and we give a discount in the closing cost to the veterans as well. So we're very happy to be able to participate in that program.
That's excellent. And in addition to the discounts that Danielle and I give back to veterans, we have a team put together of inspectors and appraisers, title companies, and they also all give back to the veterans. So the monetary give back is rather significant to the veterans. We've done a lot with Homes for Heroes in the past few years. Can you think of any special memories that you had with helping someone?
Well, certainly the disabled veteran that we had was big. We've also assisted veterans relocate back to Michigan after their deployment. That can be sometimes a little bit tricky because they might be living in a different state. Sometimes they can be actively deployed and maybe their wife or spouse is on the back end here trying to find a home and get their family resettled back in Michigan near family again.
That's good, and everything sounds great. You know, I was thinking about this a little bit, and you know, as far as advice for veterans or military members who are applying for a VA loan, one of the things that I would recommend to them is, you know, you're going to have to be patient because VA loans are different than conventional loans. It may take a little longer to find that perfect home for you. The other thing that I would recommend to them, and I'd like your concurrence, is, you know, listen to your lender, listen to your real estate agent, because we've done this many, many times before. VA inspections and VA appraisals are more rigorous. They're more stringent than conventional mortgages or FHA mortgages. But in the long run, the benefit is for the military member or the veteran. Would you agree?
Absolutely. You know, a couple of the things that are a little bit different with a VA loan, because VA wants to make sure that the veteran is getting a good home. They require a pest inspection. They require a well test if the property is on a well. So working with a seasoned agent and a lender, we will guide you through that whole process so that there aren't any surprises. And even though there might be a few extra steps along the way, we can make sure that they're taken care of in a timely manner and you do close quickly.
You know, the last memory I had was, you know, one of the young men that we helped 2 years ago, and he used to joke with us when we were going through the process during his last tour in Iraq that he got a little bit too close to an IED. So when we worked with him, this young man actually was suffering from moderate to severe PSTD, but we managed to close that transaction with very little difficulty, although he required a lot more attention during the mortgage buying process. Would you agree?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a significant change. I've been doing VA loans for 27 years, and we're certainly seeing a change right now. Many years we didn't see disabled veterans, but certainly with the amount of servicemen and women that we've seen overseas for many years, there are more people that have disabilities. We're also seeing many veterans that are maybe moving homes because they're retiring or getting ready to retire. It isn't just for a certain age group. We have a good 40 to 50 years of veterans that have served this country that are still eligible and have their benefits and can use the VA loan as a way to secure financing for the family home. Now, sometimes people think that VA loans are for people with bad credit, and that's absolutely not the truth. On a nationwide average, VA loans outperform every other loan program regardless of down payment or credit score. Our average VA loan has credit scores well into the mid-700 range, and it doesn't mean that the buyer doesn't have money. It means, you know, their ability to get a VA loan means that they might have money in the bank, they might have a great job and a great career, and their income averages also out-earn what the average median income is. But it's a fantastic investment tool for the low interest rates and the low fees. We also have the ability to do a VA jumbo loan. A VA jumbo loan is a unique product. It allows a buyer to purchase a home with a mortgage above $417,000, which is our conforming loan limit in this area. It isn't a zero down program, but it's still a very low down payment option. I had the pleasure of doing a VA jumbo loan this year as well,
Perfect.
Which was exciting. So there's a lot of different options out there for our veterans to use, and it's a benefit and a right that they have worked very hard for serving our country.
Yes, VA is, overall, it's just an excellent, excellent program. And I guess, you know what, our final message would be that if you're looking to buy a home and you're thinking about using the VA, Danielle and I are here to help you evaluate all of your options, so give us a call.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you, veterans, for your service. We hope you found this video to be informative and educational.